Hey, welcome back to Mind Pump TV. You're about to see a clip of Dr. Rand answering questions revolving around hormones and testosterone and health. If you want to see if you're a candidate for this, whether you're male or female, head over to mphormones.com, fill out their questionnaire, see if hormone therapy is right for you. All right, enjoy this video.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rand McClain. I'm a doctor of regenerative and sports medicine, and I've been asked to speak with you about Nandrolone. Nandrolone is an anabolic steroid that was used mainly for putting on mass, still is used for putting on mass, and it's an interesting steroid in that we call it a NOR19 anabolic steroid. It means it comes from a different structure than the typical anabolic steroid. It's useful, as I said earlier, for putting on muscle mass, not so much for getting rid of fat like some of the other anabolic steroids can be used for. I use it mostly for wasting disorders such as HIV, Prader-Willi syndrome, areas where we're trying to put on a significant amount of muscle mass. For example, in a male, we're talking about 20 to 25 pounds of muscle because, for example, in an HIV patient, that could be the difference if someone were to get ill between life and death to have that extra muscle mass. It is known formally as Decadroblin when a company called Watson was making it. I think they discontinued it in 1994, but again, that's the brand name and the name by which most people know it. It can be used by men or women because it has very little androgenic side effects. About 20% of Nandralone can be converted into estrogen, so it's very safe for, again, both men and women. And even though it's made for just bulking, in the proper dose, it can help with women to maintain muscle mass without putting on an inordinate amount, which begs the question that needs to be answered. You know, whenever anyone's taking an anabolic steroid, are they at risk of becoming Arnold Schwarzenegger-like? No. You still have to do the work to put on the muscle. Any anabolic steroid, whether it's Nandrolone or Oxandrolone or any other, the work still has to be done. It's simply going to be leveraged by an anabolic steroid. So one of the other beauties of Nandrolone is that it can be injected. We don't have an oral Nandrolone, and that's convenient for many patients. Typically, a Nandrolone can be used just once a week as opposed to daily dosing, once, twice, or 3 times a day. So again, Nandrolone is a very convenient muscle builder adjunct to either testosterone replacement therapy or just by itself.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see if you're a candidate, don't forget you can head over to mphormones.com, answer some questions, and see if hormone replacement therapy is right for you.